Hi family, good morning. Look who we have here. We have Angel here from London in our Brazil kitchen today, and she have a short but different recipe for us.
Yeah, so we're gonna make some poached eggs, which is basically like you boiling the egg, but instead of putting it in the shell, you just put it straight into the water. So first of all, you have to let the water boil, not like a heavy boil, maybe like simmer, just until you see a bit of bubbles. And then once you do that, you can turn the heat down a bit. So we're just waiting for the water to boil. Okay, so first step, just to make it easier, I like to crack my egg into something, anything round. We have this mug. Just crack the egg into the mug. Try not to get any shell in it. And try to make sure the yolk stays whole.
Like this.
And just put your eggshell in there. And some people add salt and vinegar to the water in the UK. Me, I don't do that. I don't see the need. But then using your spoon, just keep stirring the water so you get a little circular motion going on in the water. And then when you're ready, try to get as close as you can and then just drop it in. And it's okay if it goes a bit round like this, it's okay. We might need to increase the heat a bit. And then I will say between 2 to 5 minutes, depending on how runny you want the inside. Some people like their egg really runny, so they only give it 2 minutes. Someone like me, I like it a bit harder, so I'll give it maybe 5. Then I'll show you guys the finished product in 5 minutes.
Thank you, Angel. Okay.
So now it's been around 5 minutes. So you just take your spoon and get your egg and have paper waiting. Put it on so that you don't get water on your food. And let it rest for 30 seconds before you add it to your plate.
Okay. Thank you, Miss Angel in our Brazil kitchen from the UK.
Okay, so when you're done, you should get something like this. If you smash some avocado and put it on some bread, and then you place your poached egg on top. And if you want to, you can add some seasoning like some black pepper or some paprika. Then you're ready to serve it. And when you cut into it, all the yolk should come out.
Okay. Thank you for visiting our Brazil kitchen. Please come again, Angel.
So see, as you open it, there should be a lot of yolk coming out, and it makes it like a nice little sauce to go with your breakfast.
Looks so yummy. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.